back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Please, we are back again in a new video, and I just want to help me on this one and make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. The comment section is on. Do not abuse it. Okay, watch the video from beginning to the end, then tell me what you think about what the video is all about. We are here again to point out few individuals that their job now is to dish out lies and falsehood. Some of you actually see them as one of the strong media, depending on how you perceive them. If you are okay in the group, of course you cherish and love them. If you are not, you will connect more dots to see reason why you will not like them. Now, this video is not to abuse anybody or to attack anybody. I'm not here to do that. I just want you to use your sense to see through what they're saying, and their intention and their motive will help you to understand what they stand for and what they represent. Now, without wasting much of your time, I don't want to delay on this one because we have about 2 or 3 individuals that are going to listen to their post and their voice or a video, anything, right up, depending on what they choose to do. But let us start with this guy called Okute Biafra. Many of you know him. You don't know him by his face, but at least you used to see his post. So now Parawa and their team have actually crowned him as one of their strong media and blah, 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 blah. You know, that kind of thing. And he's doing their job very, very fine. But the question I want to ask you that are following the whole thing with clear conscience and your sense are still with you. If your sense is not with you, I'm sorry, this one will not make sense to you because the broadcast of this video is for people that have some. I mean, you can analyze, you can understand. If you cannot comprehend anything, opening and I push me at department, this video is not for you. Because you have to have some your cells in your brain to be active for you to understand what the video is all about. Now, we have Okute Biafra. Okute Biafra, like I said, his job is to cut videos. If you're good in editing, to edit video, you will understand what I'm saying. In fact, when I play this video for you now, just a short clip, when I play it, you understand. Maybe you'll be laughing and rolling in your house, or depending on where you're watching it from, but pay attention. You will see how this guy was able to cut pieces DPM videos and make it look like she says something unimaginable things, and he circulated it on his platform, believing that people will actually see that as the real thing that she said. He made this post on 10th of March 2025. Now let me read the caption of the video as he put it in his platform. He said, Ngozi President confirmed to Biafran that she is working for Nigerian terrorist state. Now, the statement that he said to put to confirm what he just said is a video that he cut into pieces. In fact, somebody like me, I watched COS live broadcast where she analyzed all those things. In fact, she mapped out her time. She talked about those things one by one, starting from the condition of the way some people in Biafra now are behaving, and the way Biafran government have been restructured, the intention and the motive of Biafran government, and the challenges that government are facing and what's going on in our land. Now, after saying those things, this guy calmed down, pieces it one by one, and here is what the final result. Hear this, and you yourself can judge this video by yourself. Remember, I told you your brain cells must be active. You have to activate it before you can understand what this guy have done here. In case if you don't know how to edit video, of course this video will not make sense to you. You will think that it is real. Listen. Just things. Let me take it back for again so that you get it. Listen from beginning.
Basic things. The countries that milk our natural resources, those basic things you provide to your people, our leader Nnamdi Kanu and our prime minister, and a lot of our Nigerian leaders. Again.
Did you notice that? He called this one three different videos, made it together. All of a sudden, she said again. Does it make any sense? Our leader, Kanu, and our Nigerian leaders. I mean, even if he's a mad person, you cannot say our leader, Kanu, and immediately our Nigerian leader. This is people who want to give you Biafra. And all of a sudden, he's now one of the Sona Parawa's media personnel. The job is to dish out lies. And he forgot that, although What am I trying to say? Because even if Sona Akparawa actually mean good, that he want to give you Biafra, which I doubt with everything he mean, and I have a reason for doubting. If you actually want to get Biafra, you will not going to even go close to this kind of person. Never. Why? He's not going to stop this lie now on CS. If he succeeded, God forbid, another person that you're going to jam, he will do the same thing. And you don't need it in a freedom movement like this. You don't need lies is one of the things that you must despise with everything in you. Why? You cannot get it if you are supporting those who are telling you lies. After they succeeded in giving you that thing that you want now, maybe to pull somebody that you hate away, are you able to remove that lie syndrome in them? The answer is no. They're gonna use it again on another person, and then it could be on somebody that you actually like. What are you gonna do then? That's why I said people don't need to understand what they're supporting before you support. If you see that that's injustice, if somebody is dishing out injustice on somebody that you hate, and you like it, right? You feel okay, he serve him well, let him face it. Then after that moment, the person is going to use the same injustice on somebody that you like. Then you start crying. The same thing that's going on in the Nigerian system today. Nigerian politicians will be looting and committing all manner of crime against the citizens. Then, if that politician is your brother or from your town, you'll be clapping for him, defending him on social media, knowing fully that he's a criminal, right? But because you somehow you're benefiting from that, it is good. There's no problem about that. After all, it doesn't go before Kaibo and Kaita. Now, and after that, when another person join, after seeing what your brother have done, you not join the voice of those that are crying, oh, corruption, corruption. Are you getting the point now? But if you mean good from get-go, you despise anything, illegality and criminality from start. Now let's continue.
Dear friends, do not be deterred. You must be resolute. Do not be moved by this intimidation by President Tinubu and Christopher Musa. We will continue to do what we do until
even the voice of CS are not liming, is not even going with the voice. Like the way she moved her lips on this video, it's just like cartoon. Somebody, I mean, the voice is different, and somebody just want to demonstrate what the voice is saying. It is just a very big lie, and because they're shameless, he will put it out there without anything. He keep on cutting this video, cutting it, and join it to the extent that he was able to make it to 41 seconds. 41 seconds, and he put it out there.
We all move home in
Now,
6 to 7.
I watched a video when this guy called somebody, shared that part, just a short clip, audio, not even a video, audio of this guy conversation with Adorama in Adorama programs, and Adorama don't know that he's Okute because this guy also used the same techniques on her in a few weeks ago before she started to activate the effect of rotten egg that Chiamaka Jere used on her head. Then once when she was, with her some brain before it was finally destroyed by Chiamaka Jere, this woman was in Okute TV was the one using her videos, cutting it and merging it with every manner of anything at all to destroy her social media, and she was not happy with it. Now that her brain is no longer with her, finally they seize her brain. Okute TV is now calling on her program to tell her, let us fight together. Then, when she realized that the person calling her is the guy, the Okute TV, calling, started, then this guy lied. Why I'm telling you this story is not what I just said now. Don't just forget about this. I want you to understand something. The reason why I'm telling you this story is not because I want to remind you that she's in contact with Adorama. No. But there's a lie he told Adorama, and Ada was able to. Ada said no, that it's you. It was you. Do you know that this guy, even in his own platform, that those Adorama videos are still there, unless he just deleted it maybe yesterday. But as of 2 days ago, 3 days ago, the video was here on his platform. Now, Ada told him, "Oh, you are the one that you having my picture with the traitors. Tiliego, Onabago, Olusigo for one night." You know that song, right? Now, do you know that this guy denied that he's not the one? That no, it's not me. He's Ngozo that best the people. And that said, he said, no, it's you. You are the one. You are the one. No, you, Joe. You know, jokingly, they started making friends. Ada don't care. Even if she poo in the house, she will still, go back there and without any shame. I'm surprised to see her in this kind of thing, but I don't blame her. Like I said, I blame Chemaka Jere for that. Anyway, let us move to another thing. That is Okute Biafra for you. Now, another person is the seer of seer. This is it the seer of the seer or seer of the seer? Listen to him. This one, the car carry more because it has to do with security. But I'm not gonna say much about it. Just hear this. Then please, if I want to validate what he said, is it true or false? Let me just hear from your own opinion on this one. Why? It has to do with the security. Now hear this.
They say not them the government. They say them the government. Meanwhile, the time when we know the government, our land, we they protect our land. The time when we can't enter government, they can't use government, they chop us mugu. If we talk say this place, no they protected, they go say, hey, good now, we are in government now. You get us, they take to and our land is going. That such nonsense can no longer hold water.
All those things are propaganda. I have been following Ngozi before. Even on a tissue is propaganda. Let him 10 points. Ngozi another woman is the propaganda and is a Fulani woman.
Mm-hmm. Did you hear that? Now the second one.
It's a Fulani woman. Let him 10 points.
Oh yeah, no, prove the point.
Centralization on merit. Meanwhile, the have got the people on ground before. Up with our Osna, up with our say and those in the Nahani recruit. Our you to Jeba, they recruit her. They want to push her anymore.
My brother, make I help you in this thing where you they talk. Yeah? Did you know the first recruitment that was done? Sure you they hear me? The first recruitment that was done, and people said I shouldn't speak. The first recruitment that was done, they buy all of them. They went and give them to Ebubago to train them. Another section of Ebubago came and hijacked these people and buy them. They said now people where they support Biafra, they buy them. So the second time again, they contacted the same Ebubago and they said that they have paid them. That at the first time, it is people that do not understand with the blood of our people. And people said, don't speak. May it happen to all of you saying don't speak.
I have like three of my friends that went for that recruitment. They don't come to today, they kill them.
No, this nonsense where them they do. My brother, make I tell you what happened that time. They say they give them to Nde Ebubago. Then another section of Ebubago, Naim come carry these people go by. Because they say those people where carry them go by, say they no pay them. Say now these people they pay. Now the people where they pay no go fit defend the people where they train. Now another section of Ebubago come and they give them to. They killed all of these people. Evil of the highest order.
My brother,
my brother, I know the time where the thing happened. I know if you watch me when I they support her, if I come program, you go see me, I go there. I know the
So now, what did you think about what do you think about this? What do you have to say about it? Because like I said, is somehow security related. So I'm not an insider. I don't know what. I don't have anything to say here. But I want you, some of you that know better than I do, verify this information. Is it true or false? And the guy said that he have evidence. I have evidence. For you to have evidence of this kind of a crime of this magnitude, you must be a partaker of that crime. I mean, if you have a video or a recorded event of this, what happened, that means you are part and parcel of those that committed a crime, because for you to record the video or to have access to the video, you is either you have someone that is a member of those that buy people, like you said, or you are one of them. But the issue is, did it actually happen? Because I have seen people saying, I have evidence, I have evidence. I remember when another woman was saying her own, I have evidence, I have evidence, evidence, full bracket. Evidence is very evidence is here. If I bring what I have against the other person, if I bring it, until this day we don't have it. She started cooking stories, and those stories does not make sense, because you have to have your brain cells active for you to actually cook up a good lie that look like truth. Because telling lie is a job. To maintain lie, you must be smart. Otherwise, your lie will be exposed in a second. That's why everything that she's saying doesn't make sense, because the brain is not dead actually. Anyway, tell me what you think about it. I have anything to say about this video, to be honest with you, but I just want to be sure. That's why I asked you to put it on comment section. I'm gonna be comment section to see what you guys are saying. And for those of you that will come, oh, also I don't need it here. Tell me how, if you say that she's a Fulani woman, please be constructive. Tell us what happened and why you say so. If you want to say that she's a bad woman, she's not, tell us reasons. And not when people reply you the way you put the comment, you say the man mega attack. Some of you are doing that. Even if I come live and put my number, you will call and start talking something off point. When you start saying off point, you're saying things that doesn't make any meaning, and the reply come the way your question is, you start saying, they're attacking you on the platform, on his program, and he was attacking me. I don't attack anybody until you prove that you deserve to be attacked, to be honest. And then I have to tell you the way it is, because some of you, they drive joy in provoking people, but you don't want people to provoke you either. Now, let us move to another person. I said I don't want it to be too long, but I hope I will be able to maintain that. Now, let us hear this woman called, I don't know, where is that her video? I'm looking for the short part of her. I think this one that the Vision 555 posted it, and the why I love the fact that he posted it, because remember when he was dragged for the first time by Go 247, saying the exact thing that he told the Go 247, which he denied. He did not even deny it, but he just played around the statement and refused to debunk it until this day. About Ogengere told you that he want to be a prime minister of Biafra before PM was arrested, and he don't want to debunk it, and nobody want to talk about it anymore. But somehow I still remember it. Now he posted this video. He called a part of this video of I don't know and shared it. Guess what I don't know who said here? Let's go there.
So today, I want to clarify a few things.
Okay, again.
Tell you, because I know a lot. Yes. Ukere was already, before 2022, was giving donations anonymously, 1,000 every time. So the Omwada, we used to do that fundraising, Omwada fundraising. He was always bringing $1,000. He doesn't want to be announced. So finally, the Omwada convinced him to come on board. Why will you be doing that without being recognized and so on? Come on board and join. So if I'm not mistaken, he joined us. He joined early 2023, and then on joining, there was need for money. He loaned the government $68,000, which Odogu is aware of. I know all this stuff. I might not be speaking, but I'm always in the know of what's going on. He loaned us $68,000. Then when he wanted to start to have us start paying back, Nkosi refused. Dr. Abeze refused. They were happy about it. That was wrong. That is the crux of their quarrel. Yes. That 68,000 he loaned. Dr. Abeze said no, it's not going to be paid. So that's the beginning of their quarrel. And this continued.
Now, did you hear that? In case if you had issue with what she said. Maybe you did not hear her very well. Ogenkere loaned money to Umada, $68,000. And when that money is supposed to be paid back to Ogenkere, far back as 2022, then the COS refused to allow that money to be paid back to Ogenkere. And PM is aware. Does it make sense to you? It doesn't make any sense to me. Why? PM is not the kind of person that we know that you loan money from somebody and the person needs the money back, you refuse to give it back. I don't believe that. Secondly, is it because he loaned money? Is the only reason why you see him as a good leader? So it's not about pay, how much can you loan or how much can you pay. Therefore, you have all of a sudden you have leadership quality to lead people. You see, this kind of people, when they want to make comment, they forgot that they're talking to human being, not inanimate objects. How can you just see him as someone that have everything to lead? So what I'm trying to tell us is literally is that he bought his way to lead, like he paid the money. No wonder the guy is quite stubborn. Maybe you guys assured him because you said that when he was donating money, Omar that told him to come out, don't hide, just come out and transfer and be a part of us because of the money that he was donating to you. Therefore, all of a sudden, he's supposed to be a leader. When you guys convinced him to join, you said early 2023. Then you started seeing him as a leader. Maybe some of you have actually approached him and told him that, if maybe you lead us. I begin to feel that Umada are the one that planted the seed of Ifoneme today in him. According to her, that he was donating money little by little without anonymously. He would donate $1,000 every day, every fundraising or any donation that Umada was doing. He will tell them, don't mention my name. Anonymous donation. They started telling him, no, let us announce your name. You can also come up and join us and be part of what you are doing. Did it end there? I don't think so. Maybe they actually went as far as telling him, if you join us, someday you will lead this movement. Someday you will lead, that kind of thing. And the guy decided to put more money on them. The money may not really be in the account of Biafra. It could be in the account of one of them. And she's not trying to play kind. Do you understand? That's what I can see from what she's saying. But the idea of PM being aware that somebody loaned money to them and COS said no. In the place of PM, it's not possible. PM will not allow that. And is COS your leader to have that power to say, don't give, and you guys maintain that? It doesn't make sense. Then even if she's a leader, okay, can have that, but they both live in US. They can also go to court for that. So this idea of these people can lie with everything in them. Let's move to another person. Okay? And this one is somebody that you actually know. Why is social in France? Why is social in France said this? Let us just play this video. Hear this.